What's going on? I'm sitting here with my longtime friend. We've been friends for a minute, Mr. Rick Shucks. He's a very popular YouTube channel.
Why are you so ugly? You ugly!
When I hit you up and I asked you, can I talk to you about sex? You made it seem as if you've been like a sex offender in the past. What are you gonna ask? What do you wanna know? Like, can my lawyer be present?
Just not a sharing type person.
I also wanna mention how amazing it is that I'm sitting in your family home. This is a family home.
Yeah.
I've not been in a family home in a long time. It's really nice.
Yeah.
There's snacks, which never happens at anybody's house. And these very adorable ornaments.
Hey, look, man.
I'm taking this one home.
A child lives here, okay? And she broke one.
A big ass child lives here.
Wow. Okay, I love frogs and bees. Suck my no.
Speaking of sucking your nuts, was your first experience oral sex or penetrative sex?
Hand.
Everyone's was hand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I'm like a big fan of that still to this day. So
Really?
I count it. I'm that reaction every time. I love it. I love it.
You understand, I am a bona fide hand job enthusiast. Makes my eyes light up and my heart smile, and I don't know why it happened, but it did, and it was glorious.
Most men that you meet don't want a hand job.
So it's a lie?
No, I'm not saying it's a lie.
His thing
I'm
was,
different.
he
Bring
said,
me all the hand jobs. Other dudes don't want them, fine. Bring them to me. I don't jizz from regular sex. It's very rare. I just keep going.
do you need a dry hand then?
Yes.
Okay, so any type of lube doesn't do it for you. You need a lot of friction.
Moisture is great everywhere else, but when it's a hand, it has to be dry.
But that makes sense though, because then if you prefer hand, then mouth would be too wet and puss would be too wet.
Hold on. I still love those.
Okay.
But I'm just saying.
Well, do you finish?
I enjoy.
Do you finish from the head?
No.
So then that's it. You just need
Unless
a lot
I
of
like
friction.
really like her.
So when you first started having sex at some indiscriminate secret time, what role did sex play in your life, and when did it start to become a healthy, positive part of your life?
The first time led to nothing more for years. It was like that. It was weird to me, but then the second time, it was typical. It was fucking everything to me. At that point, I was like, all the time, I have to.
When you hear about teenage boys who tell these exuberant lies to get women to have sex with them, do you understand?
First of all, young men, stop doing that. Like, don't lie to get it. For multiple reasons. One, it's terrible. Two, you don't have to. You really don't have to. On the flip side of that, girls, stop making young dudes think they need all of that to do it. Everybody's horny. If you act like you need to be in a relationship in order to have sex, dudes want sex. So they're gonna be in a pretend ass relationship with you to get it. Women love to say things like, I'm not that type of girl. If you know damn well your vagina is on the top of the fridge next to the chips and anybody with a stepladder can get it, stop acting like it's on the highest pedestal in the world. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you know that, just own it.
You could end up marrying a woman who you had sex with on the first date.
Yeah, I know people who've had like legit relationships after sex on the first date. It's all about the date though. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you have a terrible date with somebody, you're just attracted to them and you have sex with them regardless of how terrible this night was, then that's probably not gonna work out. That's probably just a lust thing.
This is would you rather, okay?
Okay.
Would you rather have sex with just one person watching, or would you rather watch people having sex?
Watch people.
You don't want to be watched?
Mm-mm.
Do you have sex with a t-shirt on?
I do.
Do you?
I got man boobs.
A life where you could only ever have sex with one partner in the same position, in the same bedroom, or have sex with completely different people every single time.
I'm gonna have to go with different people.
Damn, really?
Yeah, that's that you. Well, I don't know. Maybe you read it funny because
No.
it sounded really boring. The first thing you said, really boring. The same person, one position, same place.
rest of your life.
Yeah,
But you love them.
Nah.
You love them.
Okay, no, we're not even gonna get into that. I don't think sex and love have very much to do with each other. I know that because I can totally have sex with somebody I don't love.
But you just...
And I can love somebody. I can love somebody before having sex with them.
Emotions definitely play,
Yes.
have a big hand,
Yes.
maybe two sometimes, in how much you enjoy the experience.
Yes.
So you lying.
No, I'm not lying.
You lying.
Get out of my business. That's the question.
What advice would you give for a healthy sex life?
Know your body. Especially for the women out there. Just because it's harder for you to get your pleasure, know how to get it. Take charge. Be able to maneuver things in a way that work for you. And that would definitely make it easier. And like Miss Shannon said, ask questions of your partner.
This is my toy.
That's hilarious.
Are you offended when women bring this?
Okay, see, you mean to use on themselves?
Yeah.
Go for it. Have you used this?
Yes.
Tight. I was gonna lick it, but then
You just nuzzled. You just nuzzled into it. You just gave it one of these. Like, good night.
It looks too penile, so I didn't want to lick it. But.
All right, and final thing before I let you go.
I'm not gonna have sex with you, Shannon.
Okay. Oh, damn it. All right, forget it then. All right, peace, guys. Got our answer.
This is roughly where the clit is. It's gonna be hiding under that little hood right there,
Yes.
or whatever. And then when you go into the vagina, just that spongy feeling.
Be a negative thing. So for the purposes of this video, I just want you guys to know that when I use the term, I'm simply talking about a person, male or female, who happens to be promiscuous.